Hey iPhone users, have you enabled stolen device protection but need to turn it off? Whether you're switching devices or just don't need the extra security, I'll show you how to disable it step by step. Let's get started. So guys, first, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Now, head to Settings app and scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Now enter your passcode to access these settings. Scroll down to find Stolen Device Protection and tap on it. Then, toggle the switch off. You have to scan your Face ID or enter the passcode to move next. Pop-up will ask you, security delay required to change stolen device protection. A security delay is required because stolen device protection is active and iPhone is not at a familiar location. The security delay will last for 1 hour. You will still be able to use your iPhone during this delay. Turning off or restarting your iPhone will restart the delay. So if you agree, go with the Start Security Delay button. On the very next screen, you will get Security Delay in Progress. This says you will get a notification when the security delay ends. You will then be able to turn off stolen device protection. You can also see the remaining time. Here you can see the countdown. So go with the Done button. After that, wait till the remain time over. And then you will get a notification on the lock screen. You may be asked to confirm your choice. For example, if you're selling or giving away your iPhone, turning this off ensures the new owner won't face extra verification delays when making changes. Sometimes, changes take a moment to apply. If the setting doesn't turn off immediately, try restarting your iPhone and check again. And that's it. Stolen device protection is now turned off. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.